Hey guys, I am Shantanu Udasi back again with another video capturing everything that has been happening in the world of artificial intelligence. I have gathered a few stories and let's just not waste any more time and jump right into these stories. Our first story for today is what to expect from the new US India Artificial Intelligence Initiative. So on March 17, the Indo-US Science and Technology Forum launched the US India Artificial Intelligence Initiative, and what we can expect from this in the future is highlighted in this article. So the first point is collaborations. Collaborations will be vital for India as we are in our baby stage or the fetal stage of artificial intelligence right now, and collaborating with big tech giants of the US can be very beneficial for our country. Apart from that, it's a win-win situation for both the countries as US is getting the treasure trove of data that India has. In return, we are getting the collaborative support of big tech giants and their artificial intelligence support. Alongside that, India and US are bringing to the table the supposedly democratic governance model of emerging technology. And they are also making sure that supply chains are governed by standards, rules and norms of the democratic world. So it is very clear that moving forward, artificial intelligence and technology will be the main agenda of geopolitical diplomacy. Gone are the days when you will have to take a side, be it capitalism or socialism, to side with either parties, but right now it is artificial intelligence and how you govern it will dictate which side you are on in the geopolitical diplomacy and the use of artificial intelligence and its governance. So moving on to our next story is highlighting that how artificial intelligence could have helped alleviate suffering from the Texas blackouts. So if you don't know, Texas faced immense electricity and water supply blackouts due to intense weather conditions this February. It was a once in a decade winter storm that resulted in the total collapse of Texas power grid. While people are finding ways to blame each other, we have an article highlighting how the efficient use of artificial intelligence could have resulted in a better electric and water supply. So the one way in which artificial intelligence could have helped the collapse of the power grid of Texas is by predictive maintenance. In this process, the artificial intelligence would have used the data to keep track of different variables in the power grid like the generation plants, gas-fired plants, renewable sources and other generation plants to transmission lines and distribution networks. Another way artificial intelligence would have helped the people of Texas is by deploying long-term weather forecasts which are more accurate than what is currently being used. This in turn would prepare the consumers and give them a limited amount of electricity to prepare for the outages they were going to face in the future. Also, the electricity market in Texas is deregulated and it works basically on supply and demand. That means that it is an elastic market, and as the demand increases, the price will also go up. And that's where AI could have played a role in providing grid operators with a tool to help manage the complex systems during crisis periods by sorting through massive amounts of data and take a decisive action at the speed which no human being can achieve. It is also being said that AI could have helped in load balancing and the optimal usage of resources rather than giving it willy-nilly to anyone at any time by private companies. But in the end, it is concluded that today's AI is largely based on looking data and quantities of data, so it is very difficult to predict something that is once in a century event. And as we move towards more causal type of artificial intelligence and we leave behind the statistical approach to artificial intelligence and machine learning, this is going to improve the predictions that artificial intelligence is going to make in the future. Let's move on to our next story. Our next story is artificial intelligence helps spot the diabetes risk. So Robert Menzi, lead data scientist on Stanford's Health Advanced Analytics Group, came up with an AI algorithm that can show the probability of someone having type 2 diabetes in the near future. So what this algorithm does is it takes the health factors of a particular person and analyzes it and compares it with a person who has type 2 diabetes and backtracks it to 5 years before they developed type 2 diabetes and compares the both. So comparing these both, there is a total percentage of risk analysis that is given to that consumer Besides giving a risk score, the artificial intelligence also informs the factors that will result into type 2 diabetes, so that the patients can take preemptive measures to avoid getting type 2 diabetes. It is also certified that the artificial intelligence algorithm recognizes patients that might not be on your radar or who on first glance look very healthy or young. But they too also have the factors that could lead to type 2 diabetes. So it is very interesting, but let's move on to our next article. Our next article is US military must accelerate the use of artificial intelligence, JIAC chief says. So we have covered a lot about the committee that was asking President Joe Biden to use artificial intelligence in the military, and now we have the JAIC chief also saying the same. This article is not necessarily telling about weaponizing artificial intelligence, but it is focusing more on data standardization. Cloud services should be adopted by the military in the United States of America, but they also have some principles in place before they deploy and get deeper into the artificial intelligence algorithms. They have the principles to include traceability with transparent and audible methodologies, reliability with well-defined military uses of artificial intelligence, and governability with an emphasis on avoidance of unintended consequences. Plus, they have also focused that they should deploy AI which has capabilities without being biased. Moving on to the last story of our day, how suicide prevention is getting a boost from artificial intelligence. Great news that artificial intelligence in today's world is helping each and every sector and is preventing the loss of human life. So a project called Trevor Project, which is the world's largest suicide prevention and crisis intervention organization, they have created a crisis contact simulator to help train counselors and prepare them to support youth in crisis. So it is analyzing the messages and it is on the spot helping counselors to help youth in general in order to prevent suicides. In this simulator, counselors can interact with different type of youth personas with the different risk analysis and risk percentages. And this was developed in collaboration with Google AI, and it included grants of 2.7 million, and it was supported by nearly 30 fellows of Google who worked with Trevor Project's team to introduce machine learning and natural language processing in the Trevor Project's platforms. So that's about it. Those are all the stories that I have for you today. Please read all these articles in their entirety. I highly appreciate it. Links for them will be in the description down below. And while you are at it, click on that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so that you never miss any other updates from Analytics India magazine.